for my Bangkok shopping guide and haul. Let's go. We have something mega. Okay, so before I get into the haul, I have to tell you guys, this is I think the most I have ever shopped on a trip, because this was literally shopping morning to night. That was all we did. My mother only wanted to go to Bangkok to shop for her 75th birthday, and this trip has been long overdue, as you guys know. The first day I was a little cautious and I was like, you know, buying one or two things, but then when you're with the best stylist in the country, my sister and my mother who's a shopaholic, you get carried away, and yeah, I have bought a lot of stuff. So I thought I'll do like my favorite spots, what I really liked, like in terms of where all I bought everything from. In terms of prices, whatever I can remember, I will put here for you guys to see. But the ones that I don't remember, I don't remember. Okay, first up we have this store called December's, which is like a tiny store with, like, there aren't actual stalls but different sellers. Like, it's this huge space and kind of like a department store but not, you know what I mean, and independent sellers, and you can just choose random like things from random stores and buy. And of course you can bargain everywhere or get a good, you know, like deal if you buy bulk, like if you buy 3 pieces, 4 pieces. So whenever we were shopping together, we got like great deals. So yeah, I think I shopped the most here, and this I think has different outlets across Bangkok. The one we shopped at and loved the most was the one right next to Platinum, and here's what I got. First up, we have this beautiful skirt. If you remember my Korea haul, you remember that I bought the exact same thing in black. I have worn that skirt so much, and every time I wear it, people compliment me. So I thought I'd get another one, and I don't have anything in this kind of a color, so I thought it'd be really nice to do like with your t-shirts and just, you know, my Mary Janes or sneakers for that mixed like girly edgy vibe. All the stuff here was kind of, I guess, close to 1,000 rupees, you know, a little bit over, under. This was close to 1,000, I think, from what I remember. But yeah, I just love how this looks and feels, and I actually already wore it on the trip. That's how much I love it. So yeah, got this. Then we have a long denim skirt. I also wore this on the trip already. I just really liked how it's like girly and fun, but I liked the kind of wash it had. I thought it'd be really cool with my sneakers, since, you know, I'm in that whole sneaker vibe space right now. So yeah, got this. This is one of my favorite shirts that I think I bought on the whole trip. It's just really nice. Like, it has light shoulder pads, so it really fits well. Again, you can't really try in most of these places. I will warn you, you can wear it over your clothes or wear it under. So usually wear something really tight or a skirt where you can try under if you want to try. But yeah, love this one. Bought a pair of jeans. These are probably like 1,400 rupees from what I remember. Kind of bought these because Anaita told me they were very cool, and she was like, you should get those, and blind faith, I was like, okay, I will get those. A lot of the jeans, like unbranded jeans like this, I wear for years and years, and I've bought a lot of them over the years and I love them. So they fit really well. They're really cute. Love them. So yeah, got these. Okay, now one of my new favorite dresses is this one. Again, all this is from December's. I remember it was not very expensive. I think everything I bought is like between, as I said, 1,000 or at the most like under 2K for sure. Really like the color. It's got a nice balloony bottom, which is nice, and I kind of like this whole, you know, the whole corset-y vibe. Fits really well, looks really cute. It was cheap and I bought it. Lots of justifications for a dress. I don't know why. Like it, got it. A regular strappy everyday top. What I liked about this is it has this whole, like, you know, thing that you can scrunch on the side and tie 2 bows. And it looked really nice. They had it up on, you know, the mannequin, and we both liked it. And Anaita also got the same one, and we both bought the same top. So you might see us twinning soon. Just like really nice everyday stuff. So when I shop, I tend to buy, as I said, more blacks or solid colors, which I can mix and match and stuff like that. So a lot of it is just really basic everyday stuff that I will wear, and not like, oh my god, like this is for something specific. But yeah, love this, got it. Another pair of jeans. Now these I really actually like the shape of and the color, the wash basically. They are slightly short, so they will be a little cropped on me, which is cool. I don't mind that. To get jeans like, you know, for like 1500 bucks or 1000 bucks is crazy. And these last for years on end, by the way. I still have a pair that I bought from Bangkok 12, 13 years ago that like I still fit into. So yeah, I will be wearing these for a while. Another really cool shirt that I really liked. Love the pocket detailing on this and the color. As you guys know, I've kind of gone into this whole brown family. I'm really liking like olive green, brown, like those kind of earthy colors right now. So we got this, but I like the shirt so much that I bought it in 2 colors. Ta-da! We also have a blue one. It's literally the same shirt. Unfortunately, this one has a bit of a stain. I hope it goes after I wash it, but even if it doesn't, it really wasn't that expensive or anything. These are just like everyday oversized shirts that, you know, I'll throw over like something like this. This is the kind of stuff I will wear a lot, which is why that's the kind of shopping I've done like majorly. Up next, I want to talk about a brand that I actually discovered through Anaita. I had no idea it even existed, called Urban Revivo. They have some amazing stuff. Now it is pricey, definitely, like think your Bershka, Zara kind of. It's not like your local, you know, shopping, but some really cool stuff, and I'm really happy with what I bought. So first up, I think this is probably like my favorite thing that I bought. It's this skirt, but it's like really deconstructed, and you can see it's like the bottom of like how you have trousers or the skirt, like it's upside down, and it has pockets on the back, and it's just so cool. Like I saw this and I was like, I need this in my life. Like this is just one of those classic pieces that you will keep wearing, and it is just so lovely. So this was number 1. Then we have a really cute dress. Okay, I saw this and first I was like, is it too tiny? Will I wear it? And then I went to try it, and I wore it, and I was like, yeah, you have to get it. It's so good. Love it. I think I'll probably style it with like a, you know, a jacket or something. I also have some new shoes that might look very cool. But yeah, I just thought it was a really nice, like different statement-y piece that I could wear, and is really fun for events or travel or otherwise. Like these were the cool, like the 2 cool things I bought for myself. I'm also going to show you guys some t-shirts I bought Weber from the same brand, because like I know a lot of you would be interested in menswear stuff. Just giving you context, this is like one of the, like I love the wash, like really nice quality, and everything looks really cool. So this was one. So just to give you context, this was 890 baht. So as I said, these are not cheap, but really nice quality and look pretty cool. Like look at this one. How cool is this? And this is the last one. So yeah, if you're looking for some like really nice quality, cool stuff, I really love the brand, and I feel like this is a brand I'm going to be shopping a lot from whenever I see it. Somebody bring it to India. So we also went to this outlet mall, which was a little far, like it's way beyond even the airport, like about an hour from like the proper city. But I think it was worth it because my sister bought a bag, we bought my mom a bag, I bought some stuff. They had like Adidas, they had like a lot of the designers. My favorite Marc Jacobs was there. So mommy got a Marc Jacobs bag and I got something. But before that, let me show you guys something I'm very excited about. Ta-da! Okay, so I saw these in Korea when I went, and they were on a solid discount here, close to 8,000 Indian rupees, which I think is crazy. They are so amazing, so statementy. I was in the Adidas outlet store for a while trying these, and I also tried the SL72s in orange and red, which I really wanted to buy in Korea. Remember these? Well, yeah, these were coming to about 5,000 rupees, and I was very excited and very tempted. I would have bought both, but then I was like, Sherry, you don't need another pair, and I didn't really need these also. But then, of course, from a fashion angle, these were just really cool and statementy. And I thought, okay, they're on discount, and I buy one pair of sneakers on every trip, and blah, 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 blah. 20 justifications later, stamp of approval by Anaita. I was like, okay, let's get these. Then we have something mega. Actually, it's not mega, it's a really small bag. I had no intentions of buying a designer bag. My everyday handbag is a gift from my sister, which is a Marc Jacobs bag. And we were in the store for my mum, and she bought a really nice bag for herself, which is her like everyday bag. I happened to see this in one of the, the closets in the store, and it was orange, so it was calling out to me. And then I was like, okay, let me try it. And then I kept wearing it, and it was on 60% off or something like that. And I just was like, okay, and obviously, and I was like, why are you thinking so much? It's not that expensive. Get it. And I was like, damage is done. I have saved it because I wanted to unbox it with you guys. It's just so pretty. Okay, are you ready? Should I do this like nicely, or should I just rip it? I think I'm just gonna rip it. Ah! How beautiful is this, guys? Nothing more exciting than a new handbag, right? So it's this, essentially, really nice. Has like a pocket on the front. It's a similar design to my actual black bag, but this is of course longer and smaller. You can obviously carry it this way, and it has a crossbody strap as well, which I thought was really nice. And the color, just look at this. It's a neon orange bag. Like, you guys know I'm obsessed with orange, and yeah, I thought this would be great for traveling or even for a night out, because it holds a lot vertically, because it has like a lot of jaga. So it's got a nice big one like compartment, but of course you could fit in like your wallet, or your card holder, or your camera. Like for me, my Pocket Osmo, I was thinking of my, pocket if I'm traveling and whatever else. And I thought it was just really cute. So I really love the color, and yeah, I couldn't stop myself. Then we have Platinum Mall, obviously, where you have a lot of shopping. So we actually stayed in the Novotel Hotel, which is part of the mall, which is a great location, by the way, because you're really close to a lot of the malls and you're literally in Platinum. So we used to literally go shop, come back, drop the stuff to the room, go again, because it's so huge. And obviously with my mum, it was a lot slower. Like, it wasn't like us, going crazy really fast shopping and coming back. So Platinum has like literally everything for everyone, from accessories. There's a whole men's floor. There's like tons of women's stuff, kids stuff, everything. And it used to be really cheap years ago, but honestly now I don't think it's that cheap. As I said, between 1,000, 2,000 or under 1,000, and you do find some cool stuff. Starting with some Sasta flip-flops. These were 200 baht, and I just thought they were just really pretty and nice for like everyday summer. These were literally the only chappals that I got in my size, because obviously sizing is small and to find a 40 was impossible. So the minute I saw these, I was like, get them. Then we have this really pretty shirt. Now this was not cheap. I remember it being like a little more pricey. I don't really remember exactly how much, but I know it was more because of the pearls and stuff. But I just love the look of it, and I thought it would be really nice even with just jeans, or for an event, or even if you're on a night out, if you want to just wear like a bralette inside and use this. So yeah, even though it was a little more than the average stuff, I thought it was a cool top and I got it. Then we're breaking up the clothing stuff with something cool and quirky. Okay, so there were these pouches that I spotted, and I bought so many of these as gifts. These are just like mine and Vaibhav's. I got Vaibhav a cute M&M one, which he can use for his like pens or for his paint brushes and stuff. And I got myself too for my handbag. You guys know I put like a lot of my medicines and all of that. I thought this would be cute for that. They obviously had those deals of, you get buy 5, you'll get the 6th free, you buy this. So I bought a lot as gifts. This is an extra one, which reminded me of my, it's Thai noodles, but I obviously reminded me of my ramyun obsession. So got this as well. These are like really cute for gifts, or if you want even for yourself. Like these kind of things I love to buy on holiday, because then I just like keep seeing them and it reminds me of the trip. So got these. Then And we have another one of Anaita's recommendations. Really cute and pretty. Like, I would definitely wear this with my jeans. We saw it styled really nicely with like a ganji actually, and then this over that, which looked really cool, or even with a shirt and then this over. I just really love like all of these netty, things. I think like they're really cute, and I like the vibe with like a girly and edgy mix, So if I were to wear, like as I said, a ganji under this and just use this with my jeans, I love that vibe. So yeah, got this. Again, this was I think 400 and something baht if I'm not mistaken. I can't really remember exactly. I remember thinking, oh, should I take it? It's just net, blah blah blah. But then I was like, it's cute. And as I told you, the family pressure of shopping got on, and I was like, okay, I'll get it. Then we have this satiny skirt. Again, I've been seeing a lot of people doing these with like t-shirts and sneakers, and I haven't bought like the more expensive ones because I'm like, I don't want to spend 4 grand or 5 grand on a skirt. This was again, I think close to 1,000 rupees if you convert it, inexpensive, and they had them in every color. So I just bought a black to wear with my t-shirts, sneakers, ganjis, like a cool feminine but casual vibe. So yeah, got this. Another one of ASA's recommendations. Now this one I actually haven't opened also because it was white and I didn't want to ruin it. It's a really pretty shirt, so I thought I'll just carry it as is. Like, look at this. So it has all these butterflies. The detailing on it is lovely. Does have some shoulder pads, so it fits really well. They had just styled it on the mannequin so well that it looked so pretty that literally at night I was like, you should get that. And I was like, I'm getting that. You can see there's a difference. Obviously, it's not a regular casual shirt, and it was just really pretty. So got this one. Then, can you guess what this is, guys? The monsoon is not here yet, but I did buy myself a new raincoat. So you guys know I'm raincoat obsessed. I use my raincoats quite a bit. I love this multicolored, like it has like a nice multicolored stitching. Loved it so much that I bought it for Zayn and me. Yes, my 12-year-old nephew and me have matching raincoats now. So yeah, I was literally bittersweet actually because Zayn was supposed to come with us on this trip, and then he got really sick and I had to cancel his ticket. Like literally he was supposed to fly with me, but unfortunately he didn't make it. So yeah, we were thinking of him all the time. So I got Zayni and me some matching raincoats. So you will be seeing us in the monsoon rocking these. Up next, we have the Chatuchak market, which is on the weekend, and it is huge. Like there's no way you can finish. This is like lanes and lanes and lanes and lanes of literally everything. There's an art section, a home section, clothes, literally everything and anything, and it's really worth visiting. Like you should plan your trip to make sure you don't miss it because it's I think only on Sundays or only on the weekends. The last few times I've gone to Bangkok, I've actually missed going because I've gone on the weekdays. So this time we actually obviously made sure we go at that time, and it was like really nice. I didn't buy a lot of stuff for myself, but we did buy a lot of stuff as a family. I got a few t-shirts for Weber, one for myself, some pet supplies. They had a whole pet section, so obviously got some toys for both my children. Let's start with that. Some cutesy toys for Marzipan. There's a little crab, and then there's this one which is a potato chips packet. You want them? He's sitting here and like, what was that? Then we have this guy and this guy for Sammy, since she's obsessed with feathers, and this is a wand where you can, do the chasing thing, and this also. I don't know, I just saw this, they were orange feathers, and I was like, okay, Sammy might not like it, but I would like it. No, I got both these for her. Again, I mean, I know you can get all of this stuff here, honestly, nothing that's, oh my god, like so earth-shattering or different. But yeah, I always buy them presents when I travel, so if you do have a pet and you do want to get some presents, Chatuchak Market does have a whole pet section. Okay, in terms of jewelry, I barely bought anything. It's literally the necklace that I'm wearing right now, this and this one, which I already wore on the trip. I actually didn't really see a lot of stuff that I liked. I did think I would buy a lot more like bracelets and stuff, but I feel like not as much as I bought in Korea and stuff. Like more than accessories, I saw clothes that I liked on this trip, which was nice because I don't normally buy a lot of clothes. So yeah, I literally got these two necklaces, which were, I don't even remember, like very like random just purchases here or there, where I know Anaita was buying a whole bunch of things from her shop, and I literally just added these two to, you know, her pile. And I thought this would be nice actually for like my swimsuit or swimwear and stuff. If you're on a beach holiday and you don't want to wear like any expensive jewelry that's going to get ruined or tarnished, I thought these are really cute and would work with any color. So yeah, got these two. Then we have this beautiful bag that I bought from Chatuchak. Now this is one of those stores that had like a lot of vintage bags where they refurbish them and you know, add the chains and stuff like that. And Anaita said she visited this store before and always buys stuff, so she bought one, I bought one. Like just really pretty, and it's nice and roomy, like you can put in a lot of stuff. Reminded me of the bags my granny had, and I had some of those, and I love vintage stuff, so got this one. Then again, we have a lot of cool t-shirts that I bought for Vaibhav. Like you have like, I think in Chatuchak so many different stores, and they're all like not very expensive, like between like I'd say 400-500 baht to like 1,000 baht, you know, give or take, and really cool stuff. Okay, number one is this one. It's this little cat in a bread, which I thought you would like. Then there was this one store that had really fun t-shirts, and we bought a whole bunch of them. This one, I thought he would love this one. I bought him a t-shirt from one of these stores years ago, okay, which had a croc on it with a similar you know, Thai font and design, and he wore it so much that I thought I should buy him another one, so got this one. And then I got myself one as well. I got this one, a Pulp Fiction one, which I thought is really cool. You guys know I'm really into like oversized t-shirts, so I bought myself one as well. A tip also, size up, because sizing is a little smaller. So if you would wear a small, buy a medium. If you wear a medium, buy a large usually. So I got a large in this because I like my t-shirts really oversized, and I tend to wear them with shorts and stuff like that. So yeah, got this. Okay, last but not the least, we have some snacks and balms and stuff. Honestly, we were pretty much overweight on our luggage allowance, and we decided to go to the supermarket on the last night, which is this place called Big C, which is like a huge market and has everything. But then we were already like pretty much overweight, so we were like, let's just buy enough for like the house and gifts and stuff without going crazy. So I bought very limited snacks honestly this time because I had shopped a lot. So obviously got some shrimp chips for the house. We cannot not buy shrimp chips in this house. Everybody loves them, so got some of these. And then some of the, you know, masalas and ready packs. So you have a yellow curry paste, tom yum soup set, chicken rice set, green curry paste, just the usual stuff. I love to bring these back because I mean, of course you get green curry paste here as well now, but we were in the supermarket, bought some of these just for the house. Then we have some dried mango. Again, these are the best gifts. I feel like food is always the best gift to give to everyone. These I think were 250 each. These were 95, like smaller packs. These are the ones with chili on them. These are just plain. They have a lot of dried fruit or candied fruit, which is really yum. We actually love these, bought a whole bunch of these, and you can get them in bulk also. Like if you buy 10, you know, you get a better price and so on. But these were just what we got for the house. And then my favorite inhaler. You guys have seen this, and actually my favorites also. So this is one of those inhalers that they have, which is really great if you have like a blocked nose, a cold, cough, all of that. You get them here also in the chemist and on Amazon now, but honestly they're much cheaper. Then you can buy them in a set of 10, 20, and again make for some great gifts because these are so good. So guys, that is my Bangkok haul. I feel like I went overboard and I shopped a lot this time, but I've justified my reasons and I've already told you why. But yeah, I think I got some good stuff. What did you guys like from the haul? So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and comment below and tell me your favorite item from the haul. See you guys. Bye.